Okay, I am moving to my next question. How's React like virtual DOM improves like application performance? Like in raw JavaScript, we use
Mm-hmm.
like get element by ID, get element by class name. But how React's virtual DOM works and like how it improves in the web application performance?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the virtual DOM is the most important concept if you are building a React application. So when I'm working on React, how React work is, it keeps a virtual it keeps a copy of the actual DOM that is called the virtual DOM. So whenever I make changes to any of my any applications or any kind of user activity, that change is registered in the virtual DOM. So actually virtual DOM keeps two copies. That means it is initially makes a copy whenever you load the page. It makes a copy of the virtual DOM, and then when I make changes to that web page, another virtual DOM is created with those changes, and then React matches those two changes, like the initial virtual DOM and the updated DOM, and it only changes those parts that has changed in the DOM. And after comparing that, the updated virtual DOM is then rendered to our main DOM or our actual DOM. That means even before coming to making changes to our actual DOM, React does everything, the change comparing and everything in the virtual DOM, then updates our actual DOM. So that is the base concept, or that's how React manages our single page application without reloading our web page even once.
Okay, I have a follow-up question. Like,
Hmm.
virtual DOM is not actual DOM, right? So
No.
if you change any state or something, it does
Hmm.
not change in the real time. After you
No.
completing something or updating something,
Hmm.
the props value will change. So,
Hmm.
like, if we want to use like actual DOM rather than
Hmm.
virtual DOM, like, what will be the main difficulties? Like it will take more time to render, or it can be like
Yes.
as much
Okay,
virtual.
more than actual like the render time, because if you're building with raw JavaScript, your application will be actually faster. But with virtual DOM, you do not have to reload every time you make changes to your application. That means whatever the HTML you have in your application, it doesn't reload. Whatever API calls you have related to that application, that doesn't reload. So whenever I change route or anything, everything is done by the virtual DOM. That means it doesn't touch the actual DOM even before changing the virtual DOM. So that enables us to make the single page applications, which is one of the main features of React. So yes, that would be the
Like
difference.
if we want to build a single page application, then we should use the React or virtual DOM. But
Yes.
like if we want to do like a more robust and
Mm-hmm.
like Java script oriented web application, then we should go to the vanilla JS, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you.